Oh.
I really love the movement up here.
Yeah, if it were just more steady.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, Lord.
At least it gives you a nice view.
Oh, yeah, look. They're enjoying the view.
Yeah. And then I hate to be chittering back and forth.
I know.
Oh.
It's fun. I have to enjoy it.
Yeah.
I get so scared.
Oh.
He's like, here they come.
Here they come.
Here we come.
Oh, that was fun.
Oh, that was good.